Hi everyone. Before we get stuck into this course, I'd like to suggest a few pointers which should help you get the maximum benefits from it. To begin with, try to follow the course in the order that is presented. Make sure you move at a pace that you feel comfortable with. Study one section at a time and try to apply what you've learned with full attention and an open heart. Thirdly, it's suggested that in order to gain the greatest benefits, you should explore and complete every section. The next thing I'd like to say is that meditation is a practice that, whilst ideally occurring daily, can be flexible and work around your life. It's also important to try not to let your ego get the better of you. Eventually, you may have read all the additional reading and began on your own meditation research. However, it may help to come back to this introductory course and revisit the foundational elements such as awareness of the breath. Many people experience some of the benefits of meditation quite quickly, whilst for others it takes longer. Like most good things in life, meditation rewards those that persevere. So don't worry too much. Meditation can be hugely transformative. However, it is not a solution for all the challenges of life. Rather, it should form part of a holistic lifestyle that also includes a healthy diet, plenty of exercise and a work-life balance. One last thing I would like to mention is that, like all courses, this one benefits from feedback. In the yoga world, we like to say that everyone is our teacher, whether that be to show us steps we want to take or those that don't serve us. I've really loved putting this course together and would like to reach out to as many people as possible. Please help us to keep improving it. We promise to listen to your thoughts and ideas as we update it. Thank you.